Hello and welcome to another edition of 5Q4. Today I'm joined by Nicola Reeve. Nicola, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Hi, my name's Nicola. I'm a director at Talbots and I'm head of the commercial property team here. I've been with Talbots for 10 years now.
And you're based in the Stourbridge office?
I am now, yeah.
Excellent. So before we get to the proper questions, I've got a few icebreakers for you to go through.
Okay.
So you ready to go?
I am.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Croissant or toast?
Ooh, croissant.
Seaside or countryside?
Oh, seaside.
Twitter or telephone?
Telephone, a bit old fashioned.
Gym or gin?
Gin.
Burger King or McDonald's?
It's got to be McDonald's, I'm loving it.
Maryhill or Bullring?
Bullring.
Banksy or Turner?
Oh, do you know, I like a bit of Banksy.
M&S or M&Co?
M&S.
And finally, Stourbridge or Golden Gate Bridge?
I don't know where Golden Gate Bridge is.
San Francisco?
Ooh! Wow, I've had to choose. Great Bridge.
Thank you very much, Nicola. Right, so we're on to the more serious questions now.
Okay.
So, question number one. What are the biggest challenges and opportunities facing commercial property between now and the end of the year?
Okay, challenges I would say is generally the lack of stock in the commercial property sector. So agents, they need more stock. To be fair, opportunity-wise, commercial property is a great investment at the moment with the low interest rates, and those aren't going to change in the foreseeable future, we don't think. Investors have realised that commercial property is a great investment and good yields. So we're seeing lots of new instructions that are at the highest level that we've had for a number of years. So, the opportunities are out there. And with the challenge, as I said, of lack of stock, we are now seeing investors, developers like LCP, building new estates. So that's really encouraging.
Thank you. So our second question, Nicola. How did the directors view companies like Purplebricks and Tepelo, and what are we doing to respond to them?
I think you'll always see new entrants into the marketplace, people providing a different level of customer service. We saw that in legal services, and I think it's a good thing.
And how's that affecting our clients in terms of the service they provide?
Well, I think there's some clients who prefer the sort of service that Purplebricks and Tepelo, there's a market for that. But you've got the more traditional clients, or don't perhaps want to call them more traditional clients, but there's other clients who prefer the estate agents who provide perhaps a different level of customer client and service to them. So I think it helps all round.
To our third question, please, Nicola. When will we know more about next year's January ball?
You won't. It is a complete surprise. The directors know nothing either. The one thing I do know, it's going to be brilliant, so miss it at your peril, because Talbots always throw a good party.
I can agree with that. On to our fourth question. Britain voted for Brexit in June last year.
Mm-hmm.
Has this affected Talbots at all? And will it once we finally leave the EU?
Well, there's a lot of uncertainty about Brexit and nobody really knows what the effect of Brexit is going to be. But we believe that the British economy can be very strong. Talbots have great plans and we're pushing ahead with those plans. And we believe that Talbots will continue to thrive.
And that brings us on to our final question. I see McDonald's may close 169 stores in India. What do you make of that?
I'm glad I'm not advising franchisees in India. No, seriously. The McDonald's plans in this country are thriving. We're acting for lots of franchisees who are taking new stores. We acted for the franchisee of the new store in Stourbridge recently, so we know firsthand that there is a lot of potential and plans for growth in the sector. So I'm confident in the future.
A quick point, some people might think that's a bit of an odd question, but I'm asking you because you do deal with so much with McDonald's franchises in this country, just let people know.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for joining me today, Nicola.
Okay,
thank you for taking time out of the day, and that brings us to a conclusion of this edition of 5Q4. Please keep your questions coming in to me, and I can put them next to our next guest we have on this show in a month or so's time. And thank you very much for joining us today, and all the best for the future. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, Angie.